What's up, guys? This is Will's Gadgets and More, back with another video. So I'm going to be unboxing and taking a look at the SoundPeats Free2 Classic Wireless Earbuds. Now, you can pick these up on Amazon.com. The price is going to be $29.99. But if you go over right now, you're going to be able to get an extra $10 off if you apply the coupon that they have over there. So that's at Amazon.com. I'll drop the link in the description if you guys want to pick these up. Now, I picked these up after I watched my man Jay Williams' video about these. He thought these were pretty good for the price, so I decided to pick up a pair. 19 bucks, man. It's, you can't go wrong. So some of the features and details on these have a laser engraved leather texture combined with metal elements, achieves a balance between exquisite and comfortable. The ergonomic design with each earbud weighing only 0.14 ounces. That's going to make these feel very comfortable all day long. These also have long battery life and they charge using USB-C. 8 hours playtime per charge and another 2.8 recharges by the charging case. So you're going to get up to 30 hours in total, and these take about 1 to 2 hours to charge your earbuds. Superior sound, reliable transmission. So these have a 6mm dynamic driver, presents strong bass, mellow mids, and clear voices. These also feature Bluetooth 5.1, which is going to ensure stable connection, smooth calls, and easy touch controls. So these are going to have on-ear touch controls. You can control your volume, switch songs, pause, answer calls, and activate voice assistant. Now, you can use these as single or as twin. And these also are IPX5 rated. So things like sweat and a little rain and stuff, they're not going to bother these. So like I said, I'll drop the link in the description if you guys want to pick these up. So here's the box that they come in. As you guys see, a nice picture of the earbuds here. Touch controls, IPX5 waterproof, 30 hours playback time. And then on this side, you're going to see the audio codecs, AAC, SBC, and then these are going to have the battery in each earbud is 43 milliamp hour battery, and the charging case is 3,500 milliamp hour battery. And then here's the back of it, and this is the box. So let's go ahead and get into it and check them out. All right, guys, so this is everything that was in the box. First off, you're going to get your user's manual. Of course, this is going to tell you everything that you need to know about using the Free2 Classics. You're going to get a couple of different size ear tips here. Look like you got a medium and a large. You're also going to get your charging cable, which is going to be Type A to Type C. And then, of course, you get this nice carrying case right here that has that leather texture look to it on the back. Got a little branding there. You got your Type-C charging port. And when you open this up, this is what you're going to get. You're also going to have a charging indicator or power indicator light there. And then here are the earbuds. Very nice looking. You can see the logo on there. Got this nice gray color going around it there. And then let's take one of them out of the case. So here's the earbud. As you guys see, you do have a flashing light here letting you know it's in the pairing mode. I think this is a microphone as well. You got the logo on the bottom of it. You got your contact pins, and of course you have your ear tip right here. So this is very light, very lightweight, very good looking earbud. And let's take a look at the inside of the case. So here it is. You got your contacts there for charging. And very nice. Now these are magnetized as well. They will not fall out. You can give them a good shake and they'll stay in there. So that's another good thing. Helps to keep from losing them so much. And yeah, so here they are. Very, very nice looking pair of earbuds. And on the low too, cheap. So we're going to get these paired up. You can use these single or together. That's another good thing. So let's get them paired up and try them out. Okay guys, so we're back in. I have my Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra here. We're going to go ahead and pair these with the S22 Ultra. And let's see if they come up, and they do. You got your SoundPeats Free2 Classic. We're going to go ahead and press that. And as you guys see, you get your pair request there. We're going to go ahead and pair. So just like that, they are pairing. And the light has stopped flashing here. We got a solid color. So let's go into the settings here and take a look at and see what we can see in this. So you're going to be able to see your calls, and you can toggle that on and off, and your audio. You can rename them, disconnect, and unpair. So there's no battery percentage that I see. Yeah, you got your battery percentage here. So you will be able to see your battery percentage right there. So I'm going to go ahead and listen at these for a while, and then I'll come back and let you guys know what I think about them, make some phone calls and things like that. So, okay guys, so it's been about 2 hours. I've had a chance to listen to these, take phone calls, watch some video on YouTube, play some music. And the first thing I have to say, these are very comfortable. I ended up putting on the smaller ear tips, and these are so lightweight. They fit very comfortably. Normally, I don't like these type of earbuds where you have the little rubber tip on there. But these are so small that they fit in my ear, very comfortable and lightweight. So that was a great thing there. Phone calls were okay, not the best sounding, but I could hear them and they could hear me, but they're not the best quality. I did get a pretty good seal with these smaller tips in my ear. They are able to go in pretty deep in there, and the mids, highs, and lows on music was great. I mean, I'm not an audiophile, so it sounded great to me. Not heavy bass, but they did sound very good, the mids and the highs. And could use a little bit more bass, and the volume was loud enough for me as well. Now the touch controls on here work very well. Gonna bring up my music player here. So the touch controls, once you get used to them, work very well. So as you guys see, we go ahead and start a track here. So I'll start this track, and it is playing. So if I wanted to raise the volume, just touch this one time, the right ear, and it's maxed out on volume. So if I wanted to lower the volume, tap it one time and just start tapping it. As you guys see, it's going down there. And so the touch controls are great. If I wanted to pause this, double tap it to start it. If I wanted to skip to the next track, just hold down for a second or two and it skips to the next track, as you guys saw. Right there. If I want to go back to the next track, just hold the left one and it goes back. If I wanted to bring up the voice assistant, tap it 3 times. What's the weather outside? And there it is. It brings up the forecast. So the touch controls on this work great. Using it for YouTube and things like that, there was no latency. I think this is a great pickup. Like I said, I'm not an audiophile, but these work great for me, and I think they fit very well and definitely have a great price. So I'll drop the link in the description if you guys want to pick these up. These are the SoundPeats Free2 Classic. Catch you guys in the next video. I'm Will. This is Will's Gadgets and More. I'm out.